In recent years, bathroom has been a symbol of modern life. With the improvement of living standards, consumers' demand for bathroom products has also improved. Oceanwell Xiamen Industry Company Limited, established in 2004, is a wholly foreign-owned enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales of bathroom products. Most of the products are sold to top European and American well-known enterprises, and is a pure ODM and OEM manufacturer. The company faces the changing market and strives hard. Since the establishment, Oceanwell has been providing different bathroom solutions for various customers, such as branded bathroom companies, manufacturers, importers, and distributors. The company's products include integrated intelligent shower toilets, intelligent shower toilet seats, ordinary toilet seats, concealed cisterns, cabinet cisterns, elderly care, and intelligent bathroom products, and various bathroom accessories. Good quality comes from good technical equipment and production environment. The company built an independent industrial park in Haizang, Xiamen, and has a professional R&D team, and overall utilized the ERP management system. At present, the company has more than 100 domestic and foreign innovation patents, has successfully got the BSCI Social Responsibility Certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification. The company was appraised by Xiamen Science Independent Innovation Enterprise and Intellectual Property Pilot Enterprise, and also got a National Management System Certification of Informatization and Industrialization Integration. The company's products comply with different sanitary standards around the world and have got certifications such as CE, RoHS, RAS, Watermark, DVGW, SASO, UPC, CUPC, etc. Oceanwell always adhere to the goal of customer-oriented, quality first, innovation and sustainable development. With professional team, unique and innovative technology, stable quality and reliable service. Oceanwell has won the recognition of customers, and the products have been exported to more than 180 countries and are very popular among the local people. Oceanwell will be continuously striving to become the bathroom industry benchmark of technology, product and service.